Hello everybody, welcome back to Crypto Switzerland. Today I'm gonna show you why did we pump so hard. A lot of people are gonna say it's because of the news. I'm gonna tell you exactly why and how we traded this. I got into a short from up here and into a long from down here. Also, I took one loss pretty much here because I tried to long this, and I'm gonna show you exactly what trades did we take. So first of all, I gave you these regions of interest. Previously, I traded this region of interest short because we had the swing failure pattern of the highs. Also, we had the channel up here, which gave us the swing failure pattern. The channel taking profit in the middle, not taking profit at the lows, letting it ride. And then I tried to long the upward sloping channel. Yeah, I have so much tools going on, sorry. I had this upward sloping channel, confluence with the golden pocket, confluence with the monthly. It was a really nice long level, but unfortunately I got pretty much immediately stopped out on this for a small loss, pretty small loss, tight stop loss. Then we moved down here. What did we have down here? Of course, we had the golden pocket, we had the daily, we had the naked point of control, and a plus from me, we had this old downward sloping channel, which was touched to the exact dollar. That was so perfect. And that's exactly how I traded it. I traded this long, took profits at the monthly, and then I let the rest ride. So yeah, this could have also given you a short, a scalp short. As you see, we pushed down pretty hard. That was a liquidation wick to wreck both sides. But yeah, I'm still in that long, by the way. Now I'm still in that long. At the moment, what do we have right now? We have this downward sloping channel. That's exactly what I've given you today. And I wanted to see a bull flag forming like this. I drew this morning and shared it in the group. And it's exactly playing out as predicted. So let's see what the target is going to be. For me, I'm looking for targets, taking the Fibonacci extension, low to high to low. First target definitely would be the daily or the 1618, and the overall target is going on up all the way to 51,400. So that's a big target. I don't think we're gonna go this high, but still technically it's a target. So I'm gonna hide that really quick so we can see better. Let's delete that because it's not important anymore. Now, also, what do we have? We have the golden pocket down here. Be aware of the 382. This has confluence with the naked point of control that we just got today. Fresh naked point of control, 48,200. So that I would have liked to see that for another long or for a compound of my long. I did not enter another long up here. I shorted this top because I'm still in the long from down here. Then why did I short this top actually? Because we had the pitchfork. Guys, the pitchfork is such an underrated tool. And yeah, it's not the easiest tool to use, but it gave me the perfect target. Perfect target. I took profits on my long here, obviously, whilst also taking a short. I took profit one on the short at the weekly, and then I unfortunately got stopped out of the rest, but that's just part of the game. Now we hovered over the middle of the pitchfork. Let's put the downward sloping channel on again. See, we had this triangle forming right here, which I also gave you in the group this morning. Which way is this gonna break? Most likely to the upside because we're forming a bull flag. That's the context behind it. And yeah, now we are pushing to the upside. Look for the weekly resistance. This is still really big resistance. Otherwise, we are gonna look up for higher targets, which we're gonna discuss right now. Let's hide this stuff again. And look what we have for target. We have a couple things going on. Also, yeah, this channel still valid. It's pretty much the same target to the upside like the pitchfork, but still, I'm gonna be aware of this. This is not really important anymore. Also, from the big channel, gonna zoom out on the higher time frame. We still have this potential channel playing out, getting all the way to the highs, 51,800-ish, 52k. This would be a really nice target for this range, but we are still in a downward sloping channel, so be aware of this region. This is also a really important region, which would give you about 49 800-ish target, 49,800-ish, I guess. Yeah, you gotta react to the sloping channel, but this is also a really nice target. So yeah, that's pretty much how we traded it and what we are gonna look for the next levels. I'm gonna give you some levels right now. Let's mark them really quick. Also, yeah, this was so nice, guys. This was really nice. Yeah, I'm pretty much gonna give you some levels right now. Let's take a Fibonacci from the overall high to the low. What does this give you? The golden pocket. So be aware of the golden pocket, confluence with the weekly, confluence with the high of the channel. This is a region I would look for shorts. That does not mean I'm gonna definitely take a short. I'm gonna look at the reaction and then look for shorts. Yeah, it's a bigger region, to be honest. It's a kind of a bigger region. But this is pretty much what I'm looking at. Like this. First region of interest, next region of interest, then to the downside, we still have the 382 confluence with the naked point of control. Would be really nice if we hit it at around, yeah, midnight to get the low of the pitchfork as well, but yeah, you can't have everything. Still look for the channel that we have upward sloping. Yeah, this would also give you nice confluence. We also have some exo confluence right here. Yeah, these are pretty much my next two levels that I'm going to be aware of right now. But yet, I want to talk you through why did we pump so hard, guys? Why did we actually pump so hard? And a lot of people are going to say, yeah, this was because of the news. This was because of the Fed. And I did not know about the news. Honestly, I did not know about the news. I traded this completely technically. And I traded it perfectly. Why did we pump so hard then? We had a lot of shorts opening at these lows. Yes? What does this give you? This gives you a potential for a short squeeze. And that's exactly what we got. If you zoom out here and you would look at the net shorts closing, this was over 70 million shorts getting wrecked. That was crazy. And only about 30 million longs opening. So this was definitely a short squeeze. And that's exactly how I traded it. I did not care about the news. I did not care about the Fed, whatever. I just traded technical charts and the order flow, what I see in the order flow. And that's, yeah, actually crazy that so many people shorted into the golden pocket with the daily, with the channel. We had so much confluence down there. That's why I never trade breakouts. I never, ever trade breakouts. I use breakouts for confirmation. But yeah, that was a really nice long, and you can already see we also had bullish CVD divergence. Yeah, lower low, but the price made a higher low. That's absorption from limit buys, and that, I mean, that's a perfect long. That was one of the easiest long I've taken in a while. So yeah, guys, if you want to trade profitably with technical analysis, I advise everyone, forget about the news. The news don't care. They come way too late always. I always tell the people in the crew, show me the charts and I'll tell you the news, because that's exactly what I did. Yeah, I can show you this as well here in EXO, in Discord. Pitchfork that predicted the high, bull flag that I gave this morning, and right now it's playing out pretty nicely. If you look at this drawing right here, I'm sorry if this video is going on for a bit longer, but yeah, it was just so nice to trade, guys. This volatility is so nice. Yeah, right now these are the next levels that I'm looking to trade. Obviously, if we move higher on a higher time frame, I'm gonna look for this high, for the weekly. Weekly also a really important resistance. I'm also gonna mark this right now. We also have the one-to-one extension up here. Yeah, but I would not really trade off of that. I would look definitely for the swing failure of these highs. Yeah, but be aware of the pitchfork, be aware of the channel. If we exit that channel, pretty much we're gonna skyrocket to the upside. If we lose the channel, we're gonna go lower. That's how simple it can be in trading. To the downside, we also obviously have this golden pocket, which I'm gonna be trading if it gets hit still. I don't think it's gonna get hit right now. Oh yeah, we're getting a rejection as we are speaking, so yeah. Why did we get the rejection? Let's quickly see, guys. We got the rejection because we had the platinum pocket up here, I guess. Platinum pocket, 786. Okay, did not get hit really, but yeah, we have a rejection right now. So yeah, guys, trade sensibly. Just look for the next levels to trade. Don't have a bias of bullish, bearish, whatever. The market does not care if you're bullish or bearish. I just care about the next levels to trade. High probability levels. That's all I need to make money. So yeah, guys, I hope I could bring you a bit clarity into this pump. Yeah, it could have been a news pump, but for me, it was just a short squeeze. Simply a short squeeze with some new longs opening. Yes, the Fed played a role in it, but I did not care about the Fed, honestly. I just trade the technicals and it works perfectly fine. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna see you in the next one. Peace out.